to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today what we are going to be talking about are what are my opinion of the best ladder setup to have for basically each truck for window cleaning, or if you're an individual crew or you have a large crew. I think that these 4 ladders in particular should be on every truck. So first two, very simple, are a 4-foot and a 5-foot step ladder. These are just great for more indoor work, any first floor work that you just need to get up to, like a double hung window if it's just a little bit out of reach, or just great ladders to have around. You can get the gorilla ladders, but the gorilla ladders are extremely heavy, are very hard to move around, and overall I would say stay away from those. I know a lot of people are a fan of them, but I just particularly think that they're one of the worst ladders out there. The next ladder that I'd like to talk about is the stack ladder. So the stack ladder is very well known, mostly just in the window cleaning community, and basically this is just 2 pieces. They sell all the in-between pieces as well. What we mostly do though is we just carry a 2-piece of them on each truck, and the 2-piece just allows for, you know, the weird stair windows and stuff like that, for you to be able to get to the particular angles with them. The only downfall I would say to these type of ladders is if we were doing like a window up there, like the one on the roof, like a slider, and say you didn't have that roof in front of it, you would have to go on each side of it to get that window clean. You couldn't like reach over. It'd be unsafe to like reach over and get the other side. So that brings me to why just a regular Warner extension ladder is my favorite ladder out there. Now what this ladder has on it, such as the stack ladder too, are leg levelers. So leg levelers, so say we're on this, you know, type of incline and we want to keep the ladder straight, but it's doing this, right? This leg levelers, you just push down and right away you're level. To bring it down, you just push here, allows it to go down. Same on this side as well. They get a little rusty and a little bit loud over time, but they save so much time of not having to get rocks or wood or something like that to level off your ladder. The other thing that I really love about the Warner ladders is having stabilizers. So the stabilizers are kind of like bull horns. Those are the things right up there. Now for 2 reasons. First reason is if you were doing a window like that up there with one of these ladders, you go right underneath and do both of the windows at one time, saving you a lot of time and not having to switch the stack ladder from each side to each side. And it brings you off like the perfect amount of distance from the glass, allowing you to feel safe, allowing you to have 3 points of contact so that you can really clean the window safely and well. The other really nice thing I like about these ladder stabilizers is this. And this is not what OSHA teaches for getting on roofs. So the other thing these standoffs do is that getting up on a roof is extremely easy with them. OSHA says you're supposed to have 3 rings above to get off the ladder. When you have 3 rings above, you have to get off to the left or right of the ladder. So when you're 3 rings above like the gutter, you have to get off to the left or right of the ladder. From my experience, that is more difficult and can be less safe than what I'm doing right here. If you have these applied correctly to the ladder, it's super easy to get on a roof. So I'll show you. So right here, to get up on the roof, I don't have to go around or anything. It's totally stabilized. I'm not damaging the customer's gutter or anything right here, and I can just go right up and over, just like so. I mean, it's just very, very easy. Take it off. I have all points of contact. Bring my leg off there, bring my leg around, and this is super easy too if you have all your window cleaning gear on you, like your window cleaning belt. So also we have the stabilizers on here, the leg levelers, which are just make the job extreme. I've had these for 6 years, still work great, a little bit rusty. But overall, these are the 4 ladders that I think every truck needs to be efficient. I would say this is going to be your most efficient ladder for sure. It's not often that we even use these. I mean, these are just just for those weird circumstances where you need a stack ladder. But I would definitely suggest, and I know there's a lot of guys out there that live and die by the stack ladder, but you don't need them. I would say they're less safe. You know, this one you can adjust by foot. When you get the middle sections of this one, you're guessing at like 3 to 4 feet of that gap of whether you're going to take one out or add a stack to it. So I would definitely suggest this ladder out of all the ladders as far as the one that's most needed for window cleaning company. Now, another cool thing about these ladders, if you see the color here is green. I think this is rated for 225 pounds when you see this green color. And then they have the fiberglass ones as well, which are rated up to like 250 to 300 as far as the person's weight. All of our other ladders, though, we special order from Home Depot, and they have red. Now, red means they're made for like 200 pounds and under, but they are great because they're extremely light ladders. And they're extremely easy to move around. Even a 28 foot, which I have around the back here, is extremely easy to move around with one person. So I definitely highly suggest that if you want a light ladder that's dependable and easy to use, go to your local department or Home Depot, and they can special order those ladders for you. But that is kind of my overview of, you know, what ladders we use. I get tons of questions about this, so I just want to make a video for you guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.